Uh, Good evening. This is the strategy that I've built for retail traders who want to trade futures and who could have a bit of help if there is a signal already provided to your analysis of the market. As you right now see on the charts is a bank nifty chart. I would convert. If you look at this chart, there are some signals provided here, which I have coded by using my strategy. This is a 1 hour chart. You can use this for only for futures. This strategy is exclusively for future trading alone. Now, this I've tried to make it very simple. Let us take the analysis of. I'll try to show you an example here. This when it says long, you enter buy. Let us say this buy signal has given you, if we take even the closing of this, which should be around 37,072, and the signal, which the opposite signal is the short, where you can actually exit the long entry. Okay, if you would have entered at 37,072, the point at which you have exited is 37,430. Sorry, 37,430. Yes, so that's nearly close to 350 points, which you might have gained in futures right from the day when, if you were taken 23rd November, if you would have entered, you would have exited this is on 24th November, which is like 1 day. Okay, now, or you can actually close it. You can even trade this for intraday if you would like to, or you can take this to the next day as well. Now, please note, any of the trading ideas, any code, anything, there will be days where there is a sideways market where you will have multiple trades being generated. It is up to you, basis your analysis, if you would like to take these signals and trade or not. The idea behind trying to provide you this code is because to help you, give you that extra step confidence basis your analysis. If you are in doubt whether to take a trade at this stage or not, this will help you take that decision. Okay, if you look at the short entry which it gave at around 15th of December at closing time, like if you would have entered this at, let's say, on 16th of December 9:15, like 37,094 on opening, you, if I'll take the screen a bit. Okay, here you see there's a long entry which has come, which ideally here you have entered the trade on 16th December. You could have carry for you, if even if you would have done an intraday, you could have ended this trade at 3:15. It was 36 537 539. You entered at around, if I even take the opening of this candle, let me just try to, okay, 37.94, and sorry, that's around, what are we talking about here? Okay, that is the closing is around 36 586. That's nearly 500 points on an intraday basis. If you can also use this code to do a carry forward, and if you would have exited at the reverse signal, which came on around 20th December, that is like it's a 4 day trade. Closing basis was 34, yeah, 34 439. That's around from, this is 37,000 to 34,000. It's around 249, is around 3,000 points in a span for a holding of 16 to, this was like what, 28, 4 days of holding. You received nearly per 4,000 points, which I guess is a huge money. And once you receive such huge trade, obviously there will be a sideways days, and still you can make money if you can take these. And as you know, the recent trades which came, which gave a long on 30th December at 1:15 p.m. At, if I go down and take this exactly, okay, The closing, if I take 35,053, and we are still holding today, and we stand at 37,950, or when we close at 37,600. So if you would enter this trade, let's say 35,000, you're at 37,000, 2,600 points. If you like this particular code, if you think if this will help you in your trading, if you want, I can give this to you, but for a cost, as nothing comes for free in life. I charge you money for this. And but the best part is that you can just open a trading view, don't need to open a paid account. You can go to your Pine editor, copy my code, paste it over here, and say save, give a name to the chart. For example, I'll try to show you. See, I'll save and say once you saved it, say just say add to the chart. Immediately all the signals would pop up here. My return over a period of time is, as you can see, 49.23%. So that is the return that I am getting over here. I've been testing it for the last, let's say, I don't know the period. Let me check. I've been checked 2010 to 2010 onwards. Till date, every year the return has been around 50% return, which I guess in this market is a huge one. So if you like, you can contact me on the phone numbers that I'll be mentioning here. Or you can put a comment on my. Um you can make a note of this number. You can contact me, and I can sell you this strategy. Yes, nothing comes for free. It is going to cost you. Thank you. Only if you are interested, please do contact me.